In 2015, Dreamworx Roofing was born with a clear vision: to be the last roofing company you'll ever need. Our vision is simple: provide roofs so extraordinary in customer care, so exceptional, that we become your forever roofing company.
We realized that something vital was missing from our industry: genuine customer service and true transparency. That's why every day we commit to doing our best, ensuring that your home remains your sanctuary.
With Dreamworx Roofing, you get more than just a roof. You get peace of mind knowing your roof, siding, and gutters are all in expert hands.
We install peace of mind.